Hey guys, Tony Melo, Melo Properties team over at Keller Williams. Hope you're all doing well. I came across a video today on YouTube about a 1031 exchange, and for those that don't know what a 1031 exchange is it's mostly for investors, people that have properties that they're renting, storefronts, commercial properties, that kind of thing. When you go to sell your property, the government's going to want a certain amount of that in taxes, the profit at least. So the 1031 exchange is a way to not get away with it, but to defer it to the next sale. And then again, the idea is to do another 1031 exchange at that point in time and just continue deferring it from time to time. Try to keep that money in your estate for your family. So this video it's pretty instructive. It shows you exactly what a 1031 exchange is, how it works, and who to use it. So, and we ourselves have some experience in doing this kind of stuff. So if you guys ever come across a situation, folks, friends, family, people that you know that are curious about it, that want to know a little bit more about it or who can do it. We're not qualified intermediaries, the people that are capable of doing that, but we know the people that can do that. So keep us in mind. We'd be happy to help connect people as real estate agents. Obviously, we'd be part of the picture of getting that property sold. We would just bring this qualified intermediary into the picture to complete the 1031 exchange and save you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars in capital gains taxes. So watch this video. Any questions at all, give us a call and we'd be happy to explain it further. Take a look.
Meet George. He's getting ready to write a $32,000 check to the IRS. We'll also introduce you to Pete, who continues to watch his company's value and success grow. Too bad George didn't know about something called a 1031 like-kind exchange, or LKE. He'd be much happier right now. Like-kind exchanges were first authorized in 1921, when Congress recognized the importance of encouraging reinvestment in business assets. Today, companies use 1031 LKEs to increase cash flow by deferring taxes on gains realized through the sale of business assets if they reinvest those gains in replacement assets. Years ago, George's company bought a new bulldozer, and over time, its tax basis has been reduced to zero. Though he sold it for $80,000, George now has to pay up to 40% of the proceeds in income taxes, leaving him just $48,000 to spend on another piece of construction equipment. Pete's company did the same thing with one of its trucks. Only when it was time to sell the truck, Pete partnered with Accruit, who identified unnecessary taxes that Pete does not have to pay by doing an LKE. Now, Pete can keep 100% of his money to acquire a replacement truck. While like-kind exchanges are commonly used in real estate transactions, many business people are unaware that they can also apply to equipment and other assets. With Accruit's help, LKEs can be made uncomplicated, whether you are selling one asset or thousands. Lots of assets qualify. The replacements just have to be similar to those that were sold. As the nation's leading qualified intermediary for LKEs involving business assets, Accruit handles more than 30,000 transactions a month, totaling over $7 billion annually. We partner with some of the largest financial institutions, CPA firms, tax advisors, and auction companies. And we deliver the highest level of integrity and competence to assure compliance with all regulations and to safeguard the security of funds awaiting reinvestment. We are the like-kind exchange experts, and we deliver the expertise to help you reinvest your cash in your business. Contact Accruit today for a free benefit calculator to see how much an LKE can increase your cash flow.
So there you have it. That was pretty much the nuts and bolts of a 1031 exchange. If you guys know anybody that wants to sell an investment property of any kind, you can basically do that through the 1031 exchange and not pay that capital gains tax. So keep us in mind. Tony Melo, Melo Properties team over at Keller Williams. Number here is 508-386-3368. 508-386-3368. If you Google Melo Properties team online, you should be able to find us. Our email also is info, I-N-F-O, at Melo, M-E-L-O, properties.com. Info at, symbol at, meloproperties.com. Have a great day. Take care.